to use my down with the brows. Like I say, I've already prepped my skin. Let's you guys see. So I've already applied my primer, and I'm going to use this beauty blender. This is a beauty blender from Sephora. It looks like that, and it has this shape right here, which is really nice for your under eye. And actually, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer right here, because I don't have. Try to create a very natural makeup look. Into just, and I'm using, which is from Hourglass. This is the Vanish concealer, and the color is, I don't know how to pronounce the name of the color. I'm going to with like look, I have this line right here. I just want to show you. So I have this line right here, and I have a little bit right next right here, which I'm going to use better than the beauty blender, to be quite honest. And this concealer is, I mean, look at this. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. The line already disappeared. I'm going to use my Nars. This one is the Barcelona M4, and this is my favorite foundation. And what I'm going to do is it's to you like the natural Nars and Hourglass. Nobody can tell. If you know how to apply it, it's so nice. And this beauty blender, I mean, there we have our canvas. It's easy to go. Now we are going to use a little bit of concealer as well, more concealer under our eyes, kind of to do like a highlight type of thing. And I'm going to just right here. And I tend not to use a lot of concealer on top of my nose because I really don't like it, especially because I have a I want to explain something to you guys. All of us have a texture in our face, and sometimes there is people who have like a beautiful skin. Their face is, I mean, it's so clean. They don't have hair, they don't have like facial hair and things like that. I mean, they may have facial hair, but they don't have a lot. I do have a lot of facial hair and I have a texture on my skin because when I was like on my 20s, I tend to get a lot of acne. So for makeup, I'm planning to use this Juvia's palette. So I'm going to do something very similar to my lip liner. And I'm going to prep my eyes, and actually I'm going to use this Dark Circle Truly Yours concealer. So I'm going to just pop a little bit here. It's like 2 shades more a last minute makeup look. So this brush I'm going to use is this one, which is from More. I'm going to use this bronzer, which is from Elf Cosmetics. It's very old palette from Elf Cosmetics that I have had for such a long time. And I'm going to just put this here on my lid, and I'm going to blend this back and forth here on my nose. As you can see, it's going to do a little bit more shape to my nose. Very easy and simple. You're just gonna be like gentle, and you don't need to apply a lot. So I'm going to do the same here. And one is this one from Sigma. This one is I still have the number, and this one is the E40, and it's a blending brush. It's so big. But I'm going to use from this palette, because we are going to do like a monochromatic type of look. I'm going to take Canna and Kafuru, and I'm going to do this too. And actually I'm going to apply this on top of the color that we already have. Monochromatic makeup look, easy. Use this pencil, which is from Exica. To do this, I'm going to line very close to my lash, very close to my waterline, right down, like so. So I'm going to apply on top of my lash, because what I'm going to create is kind of like a natural smoky eye. And I'm going to grab this brush right here. It's like a brush with a short brush, and it's actually really nice with this area. And this is going to make your eye, your lash, like it's longer. Curl, lash curl. I'm going to curl my lashes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One from Too Faced is a sample mascara that I get from Macy's. And I'm going to set under my eyes, and I'm going to use this brush. And the way that I'm going to set is just that way. I want this to move around my brow right here. And I'm using the Laura Mercier powder. You guys know the powder that I always use. I have the Charlotte Tilbury powder as well. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the same bronzer from my e.l.f. Cosmetics palette, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it with the blush, and this is going to be kind of like a contour blush 2-in-1. So there you can get the two effects, and you just like very gentle and like this. You can apply bronzer here in your forehead, close to your temples, kind of to make like a bronzy type of thing, like here. So very nice. And when you want to create like a natural makeup look, it takes more time than when you just want to create like a full makeup, because you apply a lot and you don't have to do too much. But when you want to apply like when you want to create like a natural makeup look, you just gotta know how to work with makeup really to make your makeup look natural. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this Laura Mercier Flawless Skin Spray. This is the Perfecting Water Moisturize Mix Spray on my sponge, because I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter, but the way that I'm going to do is completely different than I used to. And as always, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambresi highlighter, and I'm going to apply my highlighter this way, and in this way your makeup, it doesn't look too heavy. But now the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my lip gloss that I applied. I bought this lip liner I think like 3 days ago at Sephora, and this one is the Patry Tag lip liner, and is shade is bold. So I'm going to line my lips, and I'm going to and what I'm going to do is I'm going to line inside. Kind of like that. This is my last minute makeup look. I know this is my monochromatic type of makeup look. If you like it, comment down below, let me know if you guys like this kind of makeup look. And yeah, I love it. I love this look. I love this look. Yeah guys, gracias, thank you so much for watching my videos. This is what I do. This is what I do. Thank you. Bye.